All right, we're continuing with our AppSumo Black Friday content blitz here on LearnWire, and this one is Gumlet. This is a video streaming or video hosting platform. There's been a few of these that have hit AppSumo, but it really is hard to find a really good one that gives you exactly what they are saying and that have high quality. There was another one on here. I'm not going to name which one it was, but I went all in on it with their highest tier. And then I actually went and did a launch and had all my videos on there, and the site went down right during my launch day, a product launch. All my videos were hosted on it, and even the sales videos on the sales pages and everything. It was just a complete nightmare. I had to end up same day of launch, had to grab all my videos, upload them to YouTube just to get them functional and uploaded and functional and working. So when you pick these softwares, it really can actually lose money or lose sales for you if it's not a good one. Now, I did pick up Gumlet. It's very high quality. I can show you inside right over here, and then go into, where is it? They have all kinds of updates going on right there. And you can see right over here in billing, I have the AppSumo Tier 5 plan right here. I have unlimited streaming abilities, and I have up to 15,000 minutes of at any given time of upload right here. And then bandwidth, I'm not using any bandwidth. So I'm not really using a whole lot with Gumlet, but I purchased it so I have it in the future. So when I need to have some professional video hosting, I always have it at my disposal. We can go over to the dashboard. You'll be able to see, your quick stats and so forth. You can actually build different reports and so forth. Like if you go to video analytics and then go to insights, you can actually go and add a new dashboard and create your own reports and so forth. Pretty cool stuff. I'm going to go over here, video CMS. We are uploading it and it's in the queue right here. So this content pace Black Friday deal, I'm just going ahead and we can click on that, and that's when it'll bring up some different options. You can see that it's hosted over here, and you can have this nice professional video hosting. I love giving people the option to watch videos fast. I hate it when there's no option. And sometimes I'll just click away from a video. If I see that a video is 30 minutes to an hour long and I don't have the option to watch it, at the speed that I want to watch, sometimes I'll just click away and I just won't even watch it. So I love how it goes. My favorite speed to watch content on is 1.75 because it's super fast. It's almost twice speed, but you can also still, make out, 90% of what they're saying. And so when you want to watch content quickly, I mean, this is incredible. They have 2 and 4X. I don't know how you would ever watch 4X. Probably if you just visually wanted to see something very quickly. And not really be digesting the audio part of the video. And if someone speaks slowly and very, concise, and you can understand them very well, and they're on the little slower side of speaking, then sometimes 2X works fine too. So I like that they have the speed and they have the quality and so forth right there. You can go full screen right over here. You can see it's nice, clean, and crisp hosting right there as well. And then you have all kinds of options inside of each one of these. And you can set these options up to where if we put this into a certain collection, what they call collections, then it will automatically apply different settings to that video, which is super cool, right? So it's still uploading this one right here. And then we would be able to embed this or get the copy code and so forth, right? So I'll show you how you can upload more videos. So we would just go over here to the video CMS right over here. See, this is where there's collections right over here where you can add a new collection and title it something that you want to put a bunch of different videos in and you want to stay organized. So it's kind of like a folder, a folder system for your videos. And this is where you can come in here, collection details. You can actually, collection origin type right here. You have all kinds of different areas where you're getting the video from. And then you can come over here and title it and so forth and do different things. Player settings. This is where you're going to be able to come in here and change all the different player settings that's going to be applied for the videos that are uploaded in this section. Then you even have video protection right over here. and so forth. So some good stuff going on right there. You can import and you can connect and integrate with Vimeo and Amazon S3 right there. And you have monitoring, analytics, and all the good stuff, right? But the main section is let's come over here to the video CMS, and then we'll come over here to upload, and I'll go with my device, and let's just say I want to upload this one right over here that I just recorded. I'm going to push open, and you can see how fast it's going to do the initial uploading right over here. We've got it right there, just super in real time. It literally took less than 10 seconds. We'll push done, and then it's going to go in here, and it's in a pre-processing state. And then this one is queued right over here. And you could copy the embed code right there. You can share the URL right over here. I'll see if that, we'll go in here and see what that looks like. So this is what it'll look like if you just share the link with someone, right? So you can quickly upload and then have this nice video player to share. This is what it looks like. It's got good audio. I'm going to go ahead and turn the audio off. But you can see that this is what it'll look like. People will be able to come and look at this. They'll be able to adjust the speed, the quality as at 1080p right there, and so forth. So a nice, you get a nice link that you can share. You can embed this on, you get an embed code and stuff. It just works really, really well. So in a nutshell, that is Gumlet. I will be honest, the interface it's nice, clean, and crisp, but it is very kind of more for techie people. So if you want something that's really easy and self-explanatory to use, this is actually not, I would not say that this is very user-friendly. When you come in first to the dashboard, it's just a lot of white space, and then you kind of go into video, and you work your way down from the left down, but look at all the different options and settings. You can upload images, and you can use this as an image storage place as well, which is really cool. But you right over here, I'm under images. I want to say create new source. Hello there, let's go. And then we need to choose where we want the source from. So for all kinds of sites and apps, cloud storage. So I'm not really sure, I'm really not sure what I'm using this for, right? So if it's WordPress, then does that mean that it's going to, we have to sign into our WordPress site and it's going to take those images and host them for us on Gumlet so they're off of our site? That would speed up our site like crazy. I believe that's what this is. So create an image source next, and then let me configure. So we'd have to go website URL, Gumlet subdomain. This is the subdomain which will be used to serve your images. For example, if you enter sample here, all your images will be accessed from the sample.gumlet.io site. So this is going to be, you'd put your site in right here and you'd follow the directions, but it's just not that easy. If that makes sense, guys, it's a little more techie, as far as getting to use this to its full, ability. If you just want to use it for, video hosting, you just come in here to the video, CMS right over here. And I think it takes a while for it to completely full. So like this one's finally after 12 minutes. This was a very long video at 20 minutes, but you can see it's taken 12 minutes over here, and it's now in a validated state, but it still doesn't have the preview image right here quite yet. So I don't know when that will happen, but let's see if we can check mark this, and then what options do we get? You can add this to a folder. So it just moved to processing right here. And I don't really see the folder option right over here. So we're in right over here. Okay, so I was in the wrong one. So I'm in the demo folder. So what you guys would want to do is you'd want to make sure on the right-hand side over here that you would go to your collection that you created. You can add a collection from here. You'd go to your collection, and then this is where, yes, I have all these videos in here. And this is where I have some of my videos hosted for that course that I was talking about a minute ago. They're all hosted here from 5 months ago right here. So I have a whole collection right here. So let's just say I'm going to create a new product or something, right? We would just come up here and we would go to add collection. And then I would just say new product. Let's just title it that for now. And I would create that collection. And then if I came in here and I have a new video I just recorded, right? We would go over to upload, and we'd go new device, and let's just go find another video. So let's just say we've got this one right here. I'm going to push upload. And now, like, let's say this is a course or something like that, and you want to host all your videos that you're going to put in your WordPress site or something like that. Because you want professional video hosting, especially when you're creating products and selling them online and so forth. You don't want to be using YouTube. It's very unprofessional to have ads playing after someone watches your promo video on your sales page, things like that. It's just very distraction oriented, right? So I highly recommend this. If you are running an online business, you're definitely going to want to make sure that you have professional video hosting. Gumlet. This is pretty simple. I would spend most of my time just in video right over here. I'm not quite sure how to use the image right over here. Some of you techie people probably would know how to figure this out pretty easily, but that's what I think it is. You have to hook it to one of their sources, and then you can actually have all your images being kind of copied or uploaded to your Gumlet source. And so it could really be a tool to speed up your websites as well, right? So you can see it's in the queue, and now it's under this new product over here under collections, right? So we go over to collections. We now have that new product over here, new product. And if we click in there, we have our video. Where is it? That's where you're going to, change all of the different settings that you want applied, especially to the player. You have all kinds of access to change your player settings and so forth, right? And then you can come over here and you can actually switch between under the video content management system. This is where you can switch between which videos you want to share. Maybe you want to come over here. Maybe you have some sales videos, or maybe you have some private videos that you want to share in your business. You can just easily upload them here, and then you can go over here and grab the URL and share like that. So super, super cool stuff. Gumlet, I definitely would recommend this. It's super lightning fast video hosting. Let's see if I can pull up one of the products that I sold that has all this on there. Let me see right over here. Okay, so right here, Biz Growth Courses, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. And this is the course that I have all those videos uploaded in the back end that they're being hosted on that. I'd need to switch this one out. This should not be the YouTube video right over here. But like I said, that story was real. I used another one of those and then it didn't work. So I had to quickly think on my feet and get the videos working and so forth, right? But this will allow you, Gumlet will allow you to use a professional video hosting service that actually works. This Gumlet is available only during Black Friday week right now. You can get 10% off. They have, we'll go over the plan real quick with you. So you're going to get 1,200 minutes of video storage, over 500 gigabytes streaming bandwidth per month, one user, 2 video collections. And you could see that starts at $59 if you just need some light video hosting. I recommend really getting into here. I'm not using the unlimited dynamic watermark and things like that. Now, right over here, the 10 video collections, right over here, the unlimited users, 2 terabytes of streaming, 7,200 minutes of storage on license tier 3 at $239. And then at tier 5, this is one of the ones where I went tier 5 on $449. I paid for that because I got the unlimited, pretty much unlimited everything, unlimited video collections, 4K videos resolution, unlimited dynamic watermark, and then the unlimited digital rights management. That is great to have that option. For a lot of different things, this will actually end up not being, if you're using these in a way that the way that I use them, you actually don't really use the digital rights management because it causes issues where people aren't able to actually watch the video. So if you need locked down content and so forth, there's those are some really good options right there. But 15,000 minutes, I think I've worked this total out, where I'd be able to, upload something like 500 or 1,000 videos at any given time in order to, and I'd be able to create a certain amount, like dozens of online courses with this plan. So as you can see, this is why I went in with license tier 5, because this is a good product. I would recommend if you need video hosting. So hopefully that gives you your nice updated kind of a review and tutorial of Gumlet. I would recommend picking this one up on the Black Friday deal. Get 10% off, get 20% off if you are a Plus member. Link will be below. I'll see you in the next video.